Well, we are just headed to work to go and haul some more scrap today and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Today's a big van day, apparently. I got some big, heavy vans to haul. And then we're on to the good stuff. So let's see what we can rescue today. So for our first load of jalopies, we have a 1-ton Chevy van on the other truck. And I have a half-ton Chevy van on this one. I got stuck at a stop sign and he got away on me. See if I can get him on the big hill coming up. This is where I catch him, is on the hill. We're reeling him in already. Wow, I haven't even geared down. By the top of the hill. A rust bucket Toyota pickup is actually getting rescued. Hey, what do you think you need, Toyota?
We board all the Toyotas here.
Look at that. The F150 is getting rescued. A 4x4 with a 400 and headers. And I see they had the exhaust built, so it comes out between the running board and the rear tire. It is sunk and it is stuck in that hole. This one's going to the shop today. Let's have a look at the front end while he's messing around. A complete truck. Well, there we go. Another one rescued. And what a worthy rescue. My goodness. Why it would sit there for so long, they don't even know why it's there. So we had another set of wheels and tires kicking around. We just swapped them to get it off the trailer. Now the guys can go over it and clean it up and get it running. But my goodness, it is a 400 automatic with headers. And the paint, to me, looks all original. There's no signs of any other colors. The paint's flaking off on the cowl. I can't see any signs of bodywork or paint job or paintwork or anything. So we may have just rescued an all original F-150 original paint. Oh, that's so cool. Let's go see what else we can get. We are deep into the S10 pile. Another S10 that's totaled. This one is a rescue. It is not going to scrap. And it actually fired already. It's been sitting for I don't know how many years. A battery and some ether, and that thing fired right up. So the Toyota is a rescue. It's an intrepid morning. I'm starting with intrepid this morning. We got all the dualies going today. No more intrepid. So we got a little weather last night. So we're hauling on the icy roads today. Not too bad, a little bit of snow. It's plowed, nothing major. Today, we are rescuing the S10 short box next. I believe, I'm not sure yet, but that may be the next ATP drag truck. We need a drag truck. We've never had one. And it's an S10 short box. My friend Doug has one with 2 nitrous kits on it. I kind of want to try it. And I have some stuff for it. I have a set of headers for the V8 swap for it, and I think I even have some drag slicks on wheels that fit that bolt pattern. So, oh, and my friend Doug actually has all the gearing and stuff for the posi. So we got some options. I think we might build an S10 drag truck too, but let's go get it. Check out that beauty. Think that one's worth saving? All right, we gotta go find an operator to run the machine. See if I can sneak in the shop and get a look at the big monster in there. This is a little ice racer. It actually has a propeller on the back. A broken propeller, but it's got a propeller. Big monster Chevy. It's got 43-inch swampers on 20s. And a cruiser mud bogger.
Is the leader in the manufacturing of high-quality.
A PT Cruiser mud bogger. That thing's just awesome. That's how they do it. You run it through the window. And hopefully the roof holds up because they're loaded full of metal too. Alright, out of here. That is an old Ford Torino.
This is sacrilegious.
We're not fixing it.
Huh?
We're not fixing it. Forget it. No. So we made it to the very back fence. Made a path all the way through. This was completely full of vehicles right to the front. I'm talking right to the front gates. And now we have cold snap. Going to be minus 18 with wind chill tonight. It's starting to get real cold right now. So we're going to haul this last one and call it a day here. But we did rescue the S10. It's at the shop, so we'll go and check that out. And somehow I have to pull the powertrain out of that thing. I need the 440 out of that. But that ain't going to happen while it's minus 18. So let's move on. One more trip to the scrapyard. That is the last one of the day. Why you would keep this in your yard is beyond me. Look at the rot in that thing. That is crazy. Now let's hit the road. Check out the windstorm. Looks pretty neat, just blowing the snow through the trees. And right there is Clayton's Toyota that we rescued. It is running already and has 33s on it already. Surprised we rescued that one. That one is pretty rusty. So there's the little S10 we rescued. Sure gets dark fast these days. Apparently, it's an S10 Durango. And check out the awesome cab corner someone made. But it's a short box S10. A square body, first gen S10. That has drag truck written all over it. Actually, it doesn't. It has 6.7 written on it. And forward for some reason, with a target. And we have a lot of junk in here. We're missing a seat. But I guess if it's going to be a drag truck, it needs race seats anyway. Ooh, it's a standard. A 4-speed with reverse, not a 5. What do we got? What do we got? 168,000. That's pretty good. Huh. We got an extra grill. All right. We got ourselves a drag truck. Oh yeah. I actually have a drag slick on the front of it just because the tires were going flat. We're gonna have to alter that. I really want to do something with this truck right away. Like burnouts. But I gotta get it out of here today, so we're gonna haul it out of here today and bring it back as soon as we can. That's the plan, is to rescue as many as we can, and then we'll get to play with them after, once we're done hauling, because the cold is now here. Look at that bright sky. Here comes minus 18. No thanks. Let's go back inside. But there you go. Another S10. I think we hauled 3 out of there. And there's still 3 more, I think. So that is it for today's hauling. Due to the cold weather snap, we're gonna take the day off from hauling tomorrow and have a shop day and see what's been going on in the shop. I believe the crashed Mustang, all the body kit is painted and ready to go on the car, so come Monday it should actually look like a real car. And this weekend we are trying to fire up the blown jet boat as well as the monster big block Ford that's in the shop. Trying to make some progress on those this weekend, so fingers crossed we can get those both running on Saturday. So you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week.